In today's video, I'm going to teach you using the Measure and Construction tool. By the end, you'll know how to place precise measurements, keep adding them efficiently, fine-tune accuracy with snapping, adjust how they look, quickly hide or show them, and change your project's units when needed. First, let's get the tool ready. Head to the top menu and look for the Measure and Construction tool. It usually appears as a small ruler icon. Select it to activate measuring mode in your viewport. If you don't see it right away, make sure your workspace layout isn't hiding toolbars, and confirm you're in a compatible view where overlays are visible. To start your first measurement, click once on the point where you want to begin, then drag your mouse to the second point. As you drag, a live readout appears in the viewport showing the distance between those 2 points. Release to commit the measurement. If the display feels crowded, try zooming in for precision and clarity. When you want to add more measurements without starting over each time, hold the Control key while you drag from a new point to a new point. This keeps you in a continuous measuring flow, so you can lay down multiple dimensions one after another. If a measurement lands slightly off, simply undo and try again, staying mindful of the Control key for efficient placement. For more accurate readings, turn on snapping and align your clicks to objects, edges, or corners. Snapping helps lock your cursor to exact features, reducing tiny placement errors that can throw off your dimensions. If the snap feels too aggressive, zoom in closer or momentarily move away from dense geometry before reapproaching the point you need. Now let's make your measurements easier to read. Open the tool's settings to adjust units, text size, and other display properties. Larger text can help in busy scenes, and color or style tweaks can increase contrast. Remember that these settings affect how the tool displays information, which is different from your overall project units. If your screen gets cluttered, you don't have to delete anything. Use the show or hide controls, or the solo function in the tool's properties or directly in the viewport to toggle visibility. Soloing is great when you want to focus on a particular set of dimensions without distraction. Finally, if your project needs a different measurement system, go to Preferences, then Units, and choose the system you prefer instead of centimeters. This changes your project-wide units, keeping measurements consistent with your standards. That's it. Precise, clear, and customizable measuring from start to finish.